Have you ever thought a simple sneeze could make the world laugh? Meet Sneeze and Snicker, a duo who found humor in the unexpected and funny side of sneezing. Capturing these unpredictable moments with sound effects and slow-mo, they transform common sneezes into comedic masterpieces. Their videos show exaggerated reactions, from sneezes startling sleepy pets to blowing papers off a desk. This surprising yet simple concept quickly resonated globally, proving that even an everyday situation, like a sneeze, can be comedic gold. Through slapstick and timing, they showcase how laughter can unite us, showing the universal power of humor in the most unexpected places.